Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you the another basic Excel formulas you need to know. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. The other formula that you need to know is about the exponentiation, which means you can use it for the squared or the cubed. For example, 2 squared equals 4, or which means 2 multiplied by 2 or multiplied by the same number twice. Or for example, 2 cubes, which means 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 2, and the result will be 8. And for example, I will show you how to use it in the Microsoft Excel. For example, in this cell of G7, I will put the number 2, and the cell of H7, I will put it 2. And how to use that? So you can put the equals, and after that, I will select this cell that contains the value, and after that you can add the logical AND from your keyboard like this, and after that you can select this cell of H7 and enter, and this will be the result. And what if I change it to become 3 or 2 cubes, which mean, so this will be the result 8. So you can use it for this exponentiation. And the next thing that you can do is to sum. How to use that? Here I will show you the list of the number or value down here. So if you would like to use sum, you can type the equals, and after that type sum, and you will see the open parentheses, and after that I will drag this data like this, and after that give it the close parenthesis and enter. There you'll see if I sum, or in case I would like to plus this every single number, for example 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5, etc., and the result gonna be 32. And for the average one, so you can type again the equals and type average, give it a double click, and you'll see the open parentheses. And for example, I will drag this data again until it's already contained over here, and close parentheses and enter. This will be the result, which means the total of this number, and after that it will be divided by how many lists of this number. For example, 32 will be divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 32 divided by 7. So this will be the result. And the next thing, the next thing that you need to do is about count, which means how many numbers in the list. For example, I want to know about how many numbers in the column of this countif. For example, I will type the equal again and count, give it the double click until the open parentheses show over there, and after that I will start to drag all over the data and close parentheses and enter. There are 8 numbers in the column of this countif. And for this countif itself, which means how many number 5 in this list. How to use that? So you can start to put the equal and type countif, open parentheses, and after that you can drag all over the data, and you can follow this formula give it the semicolon like this, and after that I will give it the quotation mark 5, because I want to know how many 5 in this column, and close quotation mark again, and close parentheses, and enter. So there will be 5 in this list, or there will be 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3. So that's all, guys. I hope this video found you helpful, and don't forget to learn more about this formula. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.